In this video, you will learn how to customize the appearance of your bundle to match your store's branding using the Wizio Bundle app. So to get started, open the Wizio Bundle app from your Shopify admin panel and then click here on Quantity Bundle. Navigate to Create Bundle. So from here, you can choose color which matches your brand theme like this. Then start with this one. Okay, here scroll down a little. You can start by appearance related settings of bundle title. You can select the font style. You can also check the other options from here. You can customize the background of badge like this. Then you can check the discount label and popular label customizations. You can customize the color, background color like this. You can give the font style. So you can also customize the badge subtitle. So like this you can customize all the appearance related settings from here. So with these settings you can make your bundle section look professional and consistent with your brand. So that's it for the video. If you have any query or need setup related help, you can reach out to us through our email or chat support.